My name is Kerry Muñiz, and I am a case manager for the self-sufficiency programs out in Boardman, Oregon. Self-sufficiency is food stamps, medical, employment-related daycare, temporary assistance to domestic violence survivors. I work out in rural Eastern Oregon. In fact, we don't even have a traffic light in our county. And one of the things that really strikes a chord with me is the funding for our programs. I am the only case manager in our county, and granted we're a small county, however, we have a large population on our caseloads and it's doubling all the time. And with the proposed budget cuts that are coming up, one of them being the reduction of funding for the employment-related daycare program is going to create a serious hardship for our program and for our clientele at large. The first one being is that the majority of our people that work in our area, we're primarily agricultural area, they work full-time for minimum wage. So you can have a dual earning family that's both working part-time, but they still don't make enough money to get by, and they rely on employment-related daycare to help their family continue to be able to work and provide for their children. By cutting this funding, what's going to happen is parents are going to have to give up jobs, which in turn is going to bring them back onto our system to apply for cash assistance, food stamps, whatever the need may be. This in turn doubles the caseload, or triples it, or quadruples it, however the case may be. And that creates a hardship on our budget because then once again, we're looking at further program cuts to the TANF program, which is cash assistance, temporary assistance to needy families. And so when you cut the funding to that program, you have more cases, you have less funding to actually meet the needs of the people, and you're expected to do so much more with so much less. So then it creates hardship for our employees in the way of stress-related illness, which then in turn affects our health and being able to be on the job and provide adequate services and good customer service to our clients. So the interconnectedness of how these budget cuts affect not only us but our clients, there's no delineation. It affects all of us, not just one of us. It affects our community at large and our state at large.